Recently, a customer sent me this picture of a metal part he needed to cut out. We're going to use the Logic Trace system to do that. And for this shape, because it's such an odd shape, I'm going to use the curve fit method. So I just come in here and digitize that curve as a series of points, and then my software fits a nice smooth curve through all of those points. Just come around here and digitize that odd shape as a series of points. I have a turn point here. I click turn point on my software, and then you can see the outline. We're getting a really good outline. Let me keep going with that curve. Again, just digitizing points along. Now, if I had to create this thing, this outline in a CAD program without my product, it would take hours and hours. But with my tracing boards, it takes literally just a matter of minutes. I'm going to switch to a line here. Do that line up there and then keep going with a curve. Just go right around that outline as a series of points. I'm going to get a nice, accurate outline using the Logic Trace system and the pen stylus. I've got another turn point here. It's looking very good. I've got the very last few points. Just go right along that outline. I am all done. Click stop. And there, we've got that line. Let's save it as a file and cut it out.